Glorious gaming keyboards are high-performance mechanical keyboards designed for gamers and enthusiasts who prioritize customization, durability, and responsiveness. Known for their modular design, these keyboards allow users to easily swap switches, keycaps, and other components to create a personalized typing or gaming experience. Glorious gaming keyboards are also praised for their ergonomic design, RGB lighting, and build quality, which enhances comfort and aesthetics. The importance of these keyboards lies in their ability to cater to individual preferences, improve gaming performance through tactile and responsive keys, and offer long-lasting, reliable use. In today's video, we will show you the top 3 Glorious gaming keyboard. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in.
The item number 3, Glorious Gaming GMMK Pro. The GMMK Pro stands out in the mechanical keyboard market with its premium design and materials, featuring a CNC machined solid aluminum body that not only adds substantial weight but also enhances durability compared to plastic alternatives. The anodized surface ensures high scratch resistance while delivering a satisfying satin-like feel. Beneath the keys lies an aluminum plate that guarantees a solid and consistent typing experience, effectively protecting internal components. This pre-built edition is equipped with exclusive Glorious Fox linear switches, known for their lightweight actuation, making them ideal for fast-paced gaming. With pre-lubricated parts, keystrokes are smooth and accompanied by a rich sound. The keyboard's 5-pin hot swap PCB design allows for easy switch customization, accommodating a variety of MX-style alternatives without any soldering required. Aesthetically, the GMMK Pro is fully customizable, offering a range of accessories to personalize its appearance, including a vibrant RGB lighting system with 16.8 million color options. Its rock-solid typing feel and minimal key wobble are perfect for gamers seeking reliable performance, bolstered by rapid 1000 Hz polling rates that ensure instant keystroke registration, making it an ideal choice for FPS, MOBA, and Battle Royale enthusiasts. Number 2 in our list, Glorious Gaming GMMK 2. Elevating the gaming experience, the Glorious mechanical keyboard stands out as a quintessential accessory for any PC gamer. Featuring Fox linear mechanical switches, it delivers an impressive response rate that enhances gameplay precision. Its hot swap functionality with 5-pin switches allows for easy customization, while the premium double-shot keycaps provide durability and a satisfying tactile experience. With built-in sound-dampening material, every keystroke emits a thocky sound, optimizing audio feedback during intense gaming sessions. This versatile keyboard is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it an excellent choice for a variety of setups. The detachable USB-C cable ensures seamless connectivity, and gamers can personalize their keyboard aesthetics with interchangeable keycaps. Whether opting for the compact TKL 65% layout or the full-size 96% design, this LED RGB keyboard combines efficiency with style. Designed with both gamers and DIY enthusiasts in mind, it offers a range of switch plate setups to cater to individual preferences, allowing customization of sound profiles from thocky to clicky. The Glorious Core software, requiring a Windows 7 or higher operating system, further enhances customization options for key remapping and RGB settings. This meticulously crafted mechanical teclado, or Teclado Gamer, not only boosts reaction speed but also immerses players in a captivating gaming atmosphere, making it a must-have for serious gamers. The top 1 in our list, Glorious Gaming GMMK P75. The GMMK Pro is a premium mechanical keyboard that stands out due to its robust construction and versatile customization options. Crafted from solid CNC machined aluminum, this keyboard boasts a substantial weight and remarkable durability, significantly surpassing plastic alternatives. Its anodized surface not only resists scratches, but also provides a luxurious satin feel. With a 5-pin hot swap design, users can easily swap out their favorite mechanical switches from brands like Glorious, Kale, Gatron, and Cherry, thanks to the included switch puller that simplifies the process. The GMMK Pro also offers complete aesthetic customization. The top frame, rotary knob, and cable can be replaced with colorful options designed for a seamless fit. Moreover, the pre-installed aluminum switch plate can be exchanged for alternative materials like brass or polycarbonate, allowing for adjustments in typing feel and sound. Additional foam can be added or removed to tailor the keyboard's acoustic profile further. Included in the package are the GMMK Pro 75% barebone frame, a 2M black-braided USB-C cable, a switch puller, and a keycap puller, making this keyboard an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a personalized typing experience. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best Glorious gaming keyboard amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.